Colorful Summer Camp, Week 19, Season 8. Welcome to another exciting week of summer adventures at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our baby shark tanks are diving into a world full of colors, creativity, exploration, and joyful learning experiences. During Week 19, Season 8, children explore the wonderful world of colors through hands-on activities, art projects, sensory play, science experiments, and exciting team games. Every activity encourages curiosity, confidence, and imagination. Baby Hammy carefully mixed different colors together and discovered beautiful new shades, proudly sharing the results with friends. Baby Mina happily created a colorful summer masterpiece filled with sunshine, flowers, and bright rainbow colors. Baby Traingle enthusiastically joined the color sorting challenge, quickly matching and identifying colors while having lots of fun. Baby Jolly used tiny hands and a big imagination to create unique artwork that brought smiles to everyone around. Why do children love colorful summer camp activities? They develop creativity and imagination. They strengthen fine motor skills. They improve color recognition and observation skills. They encourage self-expression through art and play. They create joyful learning experiences and happy memories. Through colorful science experiments, art exploration, and sensory activities, our baby shark tanks learn that education can be exciting, meaningful, and full of discovery. Every day is a new adventure. Every activity is a chance to learn, and every smile is a reminder of the wonderful childhood memories being created at Baby Shark Preschool. Parents, what is your child's favorite summer camp activity so far? Please comment below and let Baby Shark know. Hashtag Colorful Summer, hashtag Week 19 Season 8, hashtag Baby Shark Preschool, hashtag Summer Fun, hashtag Creative Kids, hashtag Learning Through Play, hashtag Preschool Life, hashtag Fun Learning, hashtag Baby Shark Tank, hashtag Summer Adventure.